Yes, it is. In this collection, you have all our creations. And of course, all our chocolates are 100% natural. We have no preservatives, no coloring, no alcohol, and very low sugar. And by the way, if you want a no sugar product, we have the Alizé assortment, which has no sugar at all. I would recommend the All Numbers products, made of traditional assortment and exotic assortment. And with these two assortments in this pack, you have all our recipes, 26 exactly. We have many varieties of praline made of coriander, hazelnut, cocoa, and we have also ganache in both covers, couverture, lait and noir dark milk. So you can select the personalized assortment, the first one in the collection. And you can handpick your recipes, the best recipes you like, and prepare your own assortment.